Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I am going to take dissolution of partnership firm chapter 6 12th standard first illustration. So let's get started, but before, if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to press that subscribe button down given so that you get the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Illustration 1. Balance sheet of Riddhi and Siddhi was as follows. Partners profit and loss share is 2:1. Liability side is given, assets is given, and here are all the adjustments which we'll have to do. And see, this way you will have to prepare the realization account, partners capital account, bank account, and Siddhi's loan account we are going to prepare. Okay, so let's get started. First we'll be posting liability side. Capital account Riddhi Siddhi 80,000 and 60,000. This will go in partners capital account by balance brought down 80,000 60,000. Okay, next reserve fund we are going to distribute it between partners profit and loss share. In there we'll be posting it in partners capital account by reserve fund fund. Will be distributing it between given profit and loss ratio. So we will be getting as 10,000 66 7, and over here okay, this amount we get. Next is Siddhi's loan account. We are going to transfer it to Siddhi's loan account 4,000 by balance brought down 4,000. Okay, next we have creditors. This will go in the realization account by sundry liabilities account. Creditors 30,000. Okay, next we'll quickly move towards asset side. We'll be posting all these given assets in the realization account debit side to sundry assets account building 60,000, then furniture 24,000. okay, then machinery 20,000. Debtors will be writing whole amount 17,600. Stock 40,000. Then investment 8,000. okay, then interest receivable 4,000. Okay, and the total we get it as, we'll write it outside, 1,71,600. okay, total of all these. Now what we'll do, RDD we are going to transfer it to the credit side of realization account by RDD. okay, 1,600 it is. Let us check. Yes, okay, 1,600. Now next is bank 20,000. We are going to transfer this in bank account to balance brought down 20,000. okay, now over here we have done all the posting related to given balance sheet. Now let's quickly move towards the adjustments. Assets were realized as follows, means we have sold all these assets, and what we have got, we have got money. okay, so that entry we are going to do over here. All sold assets we are going to write entry over here as by bank, because we are getting money na. Account machinery, building, stock, debtors, all amount will be copying over here. Building 28,000, then debtors 15,000. okay, next stock 38,000 and machinery 22,000. and when we'll total all these 28,000, 15,000, 38,000 and 22,000, the amount will write it in the outer side as 1,03,000. okay, and this amount 1,03,000 we are going to transfer it to bank, because we are getting cash na, after selling these. So to realization account 1,03,000. okay, next adjustment. Riddhi took over the investment at 10,000 and furniture at book value. She has taken away. So Riddhi has taken away to realization account. In Riddhi we are going to add all the both these. okay, 10,000 and the value of furniture is what, 24,000. so 24,000 plus 10,000 we get as 34,000. so in Riddhi's account we'll be writing 34,000. in bracket if you want you can write took over. okay, now this 34,000 we are getting money, so again we are going to transfer it over here by I'm sorry, not over here, we'll be transferring to here realization account by Riddhi capital account. okay, she has taken over what, investment, because it is realized na. so investment 10,000. okay, and furniture as 24,000. Outer column 34,000 will be getting. Now this is done. Next, Siddhi agreed to accept 3,000 in full settlement of her loan account. So she is ready to take 3,000 instead of 4,000. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write here to bank how much we are paying, 3,000, and how much is she is not taking, so that will be realized. It's a benefit for us. 1,000 ka loss to her partner. So we'll be closing this account here only. 4,000 and 4,000. Okay, now these entry will be doing over here. Bank account will be writing by Siddhi account 3,000 and you by Siddhi account 1,000. Okay, next, dissolution expenses amounted rupees 4,000. Now what we are going to do, see over here they have not stated what we have done about these creditors. Okay, so we are going to realize these also, even though they have not said, but we compulsory have to pay off these creditors. So what we'll do, we'll make an entry over here as to bank. Compulsorily we have to pay them, even though if they have not said. Creditors, whole amount will be giving 30,000. Okay, and dissolution expenses also we are going to write over here. Realization expenses. We'll add in this only how much it was given, 4,000 in adjustment. Okay, so total we get 34,000. Now this 34,000 we are going to pay here. So by realization account 34,000. See, for us the creditors are more important, we have to pay them first. Okay, now here interest receivable could not be recovered, so there is no, it is said that it is not going to be recovered. It means there is no need of entry also, because we are going, it is going to be adjusted over here in profit and loss value, everything. But for us creditors were more important to pay as compared to this. Okay, interest receivable. So now what we are going to do, we'll be closing these accounts. So the amount we get it over here as I'll be taking this a little bit down. Okay, after closing, calculating all this, we get the whole amount as 2,05,000. Okay, and here also we get 2 lakh will be after calculation minus and everything, we get 2,05,000, and the difference we get it as over here by partners capital account. We are going to transfer it. Okay, capital account. And it is loss after realization. So Riddhi and Siddhi are going to bear it. we get it as 36,000 total after minus, and we are going to distribute it between their given profit and loss sharing ratio, which is 2:1. So Riddhi's share we get as 24,000 and Siddhi's share we get it as 12,000. Okay, we are going to transfer it to their partners capital account to realization account loss. 24,000 and 12,000. Now we are going to close these accounts. So the total we get it as 90,000 and 65,000. Here also we will be writing it as and difference we get will be transferring it to bank. So the difference will minus this amount this amount from these, okay, from 90,000. So difference we get as 32,667 and here we get 53. Okay, now this we are going to transfer it to bank by Riddhi capital account and by Siddhi capital account. Total we got as 32 and 53. So now this account of us should tally. Okay, so the total amount we get bank account should tally. We get it as 1,23,000 and here also we should get 1,23,000. So our bank account has been tallied. It means our calculation was all correct and we have solved this sum successfully. So how was the video? Don't forget to comment down and do share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed, you have not pressed subscribe button, then do press it so that you get future notification of my videos. And thank you. Bye bye. Soon I will be back with another awesome video. Thank you. Have a good day.